Hey everybody, so today we're going to make a volcano. So for this experiment, you're going to need a paper plate or a plastic plate. You're going to need a cookie sheet, some scissors, a teaspoon, a paper cup or plastic cup. It can be whatever size you want it to be. It can be a small one or a big one. You're going to need about a cup to a cup and a half of water. We're going to need some baking soda, some food coloring, some tape, aluminum foil, and vinegar. So first what you want to do, you have your water, and now we're going to put 5 teaspoons of baking soda into our water. Once you get it, you want to stir it up. And then we're also going to add in our food coloring. You can do whatever color you want. I'm going to do red to make it look like lava. Just a few drops is all you need, depending on how bright red you want it to be. Okay, after you have that stirred up, now what you want to do is take your tape, get you a little piece of tape, and you want to roll it to where it's sticky on both sides, like that. And we're going to put it on the bottom of our cup. So now we're going to stick our cup then onto the middle of our plate. So this way, our cup is stuck to our plate. This is going to be our volcano. So now what you want to do is you want to take your aluminum foil, and you're going to tear off a piece about that big. And we're going to put it on top of our cup. And you just want to kind of fold it down, and you want it to go underneath your plate. If it's a little small, like where it's showing my plate a little bit, what you can do is go to the bottom where there's extra, and you can tear off some of it. And then you can tape it onto that. A few pieces of tape. Make sure it's all covered. So there's our volcano. Now you're going to need your scissors. Now be careful with this, guys. Don't cut yourself. And you're just going to kind of poke. And we're going to cut an X. Okay, so now we're going to press down the foil into our cup, just like that. Now you want to tape those down inside your cup, because that way your lava can come out. So you want to do that all the way around. After you have that done, what you're going to want to do, you're going to pour your baking soda and water down into your volcano. Like I said, depending on how big of a cup you'll use, that's how much water you want to put in it. You don't want to overflow your cup if you have a smaller cup. So now, we are going to get about a cup of vinegar. So there's our vinegar. And so now we're going to see what happens. So you're going to slowly pour in the vinegar. And there's your volcano, guys. You can also make a volcano using Play-Doh that you can form around your cup, or you can even use a plastic bottle and do the same thing. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya.